What's good, Grind Schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and we back in the shop today. So today what we got going down is we are going to start preparing the steering parts, like the tie rods and the center link and all that kind of stuff. We're going to start preparing that stuff to put on the car, so I'm going to paint it. I'm also going to swap the location of the Elco and the Impala. So I'm going to put the Impala in the middle, and I'm going to put the Elco in the third car garage, the third bay. Because I am going to start getting these coilovers on. And the reason why I'm doing this like this now is because I had an offer to buy my lowering springs for my Impala from a local rapper out here or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and take the front lowering springs off. Obviously the back are already off because it got coilovers on it. I'm gonna take the front off. I'm gonna wire wheel the frame and all that kind of stuff, and I'm gonna put the coilovers on and my new sway bar. What that also is going to allow me to do is kind of continuously clean out the back of the Elco. So I'll show y'all what I mean in a second. But before we jump into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. And let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all. So pretty much what I mean is the back of the Elco is pretty much a hot mess right now. So this insulation piece keeps falling out of my garage. I need to get like some tape or whatever. I need to secure it so it stops doing that. So that'll be out of here. I'm gonna figure out within the next couple of weeks, because it's gonna start warming up within the next couple of weeks, what I'm gonna do with this light bar. I'm gonna figure out how to attach it, and that'll allow me to get this back on to my truck. So that stuff will be out of here. This is just towels and tarp and stuff like that, so that stuff will be out of here too. But pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint all of these parts, get those painted up today, and once they're done drying and everything, I'm gonna just set them on the ground underneath the Impala when I move it, because this car will probably I'm gonna put it up in the air, and I'm not gonna get to like the coilovers today because it's late in the day and I've already been doing like a whole lot of stuff today. But I do want to get the car prepped and ready to, like, you know what I'm saying, get into or getting the parts on. So I probably will pull the sway bar off today, and then just put the car in the air, pull the sway bar off or whatever, and then, you know, paint those parts, and that'll be it until probably tomorrow, or, you know what I'm saying, whenever I have time in the rest of the week. Then I'll put the coilovers in, and I'll clean up the frame, paint it with my chassis black, so that it's not all rusty looking and stuff. And then after that, man, the car will be a full coilover car. Now, when I switch the coilovers on, I'm not going to really drive the car. I might take it for a test drive just to see how it feels with the coilovers on, but I'm not driving the car. Reason being is because the ball joints need to be replaced. So, yeah, like, and also too, I don't want all that stress on that lower control arm on the car right now. So I'll still have to wait for my two-wheelers till I can get them or whatever. But at least, you know what I'm saying, all of this stuff will be out of the Elco, and I can start jumping on getting the bed done. So kind of doing this kind of allows me to kind of keep it moving on other things as well. You know what I'm saying? Cleaning up this back window, cleaning up that little spot right there that I clearly missed when I did the bed liner, and then cleaning up all the rest of the bed line spots, cleaning this the bed up, and then we can start going and attacking everything underneath, getting my body bushings on, gas tank and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, man, I'm gonna go ahead and switch the cars around, and then after I switch the cars around, we'll go ahead and put these things on the table, and we'll go ahead and start getting them sprayed up. All right, y'all, I know this is not a video about the Elco. Man, she sounds so good. Every single time I start her up, man, and that 350 looks so good in there. Jump down in the comment section, let me know, man. Y'all prefer the look of a small block, big block, or an LSMotor? I know a lot of people might say LS is because, you know what I'm saying, like that's the wave right now, but man, that small block looks clean, and it's dirty too. It's not even all the way clean like that. But yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. But like I said, it ain't a video about the Elco. I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, turn y'all on real quick to show y'all this thing real quick. My wife was out here filming me, so she's driving it. It's probably like her second time driving the car. So, go ahead. That's crazy. She driving the Elko. There she go right there. Dang, that thing look good. This is my first time seeing the car without like outside of the car actually driving. You know what I'm saying? This is the first time, really. Okay. Okay, girl, I see you. I wish I had my little stabilizer. But she look good in that thing, bruh. How she liked it. See how white she likes it. Open the door for her real quick. Alright, y'all, that was kind of unexpected. The wife made a cameo appearance. I just had her come out here and film the Elko real quick, and I was like, you want to drive it? And she was like, yeah. So she hopped in and took it around the block. That was probably her second time ever driving the car. She drove it again before it was like painted and stuff like that for the first time, because before the seat wouldn't move up. Now the seat moves up so she can reach the pedals and all that. So, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and move this Impala out and move it in the middle, and then we're gonna go ahead and park the Elko, man. That small block, man, every time I get in and I drive it, I'm just like, dang, this thing is so good. I really, at this point, kind of don't even want to take it out. I might reverse course on this LSMotor, just so that I could drive the small block this summer and stuff like that. But for now, you know what I'm saying, we're good, man. It is what it is. I'm gonna think about it, because if that's the case, then I could build this small block, this LSMotor for something different, maybe the Impala. I might switch course on it. I don't know. We'll see, man. It all depends, because if I put 373s back there and I put a rear end in the Elko, and the Elko tears up the streets with the 350 in it, then I'll probably just leave the 350 in there. I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as registering the car. We'll see. But if not, you know what I'm saying, like, we'll just take our time building this, put this in something, maybe the Impala, because, you know what I'm saying, like, I might reverse course and put in the Impala, and then we'll build that other block for something different. But let me go ahead and pull this out, and then move this stuff out the way, and then I'll put the car in, and then I'll move this car so I can start painting the parts. All right, y'all, I got the Impala switched over to the middle. Man, this thing looks so nasty, bruh. So clean. Wow. Oh, I can't wait, man. I can't wait till the weather warms up. But yeah, we got everything in there. I'll probably just turn the wheel, and I probably won't even lift the car up. I'll probably just turn the wheel and detach that sway bar. I think it's attached on that side, so I unattach the sway. Actually, you know what? I'm not even gonna mess around with that today. I'm gonna just paint the parts. But anyways, man, what y'all think, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the paint job ain't perfect or nothing, but it's way better than what it was. If y'all see what it came from, man. But yeah, let me go ahead and get the Elko inside, because it's a little cold out here. Plus, it's a little breezy. That wind is, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna move this car. I'm gonna put the Elko over there, and then we'll start painting the parts real quick. All right, y'all, I got everything all squared away. The Elko wouldn't start. I think it's out of gas. You know what I'm saying? Same problem I had last time. But man, it's crazier. It's crazy how much smaller the Elko is over the Impala. You would think the Elko is probably bigger because it has the back, but the Impala is so much bigger. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the back end of the Impala is like pretty much at the hoses on the air compressor, and then the front of the Impala is pretty much, you know what I'm saying, like when I park it, it's pretty much a little bit further than where the Elko is, you know what I'm saying, probably about 6 inches further, you know what I'm saying. But it's really, and how wide it is too. Like, the Impala is hard to get between, you know what I'm saying, the garage. Like, you guys have seen it. Like, the Impala, like you can see the tire tracks where it's like discolored, you know what I'm saying? Where it's like dusty, and then there's like wheel marks right there. It's like darker right here and it's dusty right there. Those are the Impala tracks. So the car is like almost all the way over to the wall, or to where those boxes are. And then, you know what I'm saying, same thing over here. But yeah, it's super, like the Impala is so much bigger of a car, yo. But yeah, man, so anyways, let me go ahead and move the final car, and then I'll go ahead and start spraying those parts up. I'm gonna just Scotch-Brite them, and then yeah, clean it up. I don't know what the title of this video is gonna be. I was gonna just paint the parts, you know what I'm saying, but wifey decided to hop in the car. I decided to dry the Elko and all that, you know what I'm saying? So, but we'll figure it out, man. We're gonna just paint the parts, and then so that they're ready to get thrown on when I'm ready to do everything. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, so luckily the center link is already black. So since the center link's already black, I'm gonna just spray the tie rods, and then I'm gonna just put this back in the box, and I'm gonna shove it up under the car in the front, put all these parts under the front of the car, because like I said, I'm trying to clean out the Elko. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit these off with the Scotch-Brite. I'm gonna prime them, and then I'll probably tape all the threads up and tape the rubber parts up. So, excuse me, I don't get no spray on it. And then I'll just do a quick little Scotch-Brite prime paint. We'll be done with this. Nothing too spectacular, but this is what I need to do, or what I wanted to do for the day, so that I could get, when I'm ready to install the coilovers, I could just get up under there, install everything. Everything's good to go. And then when I get my tubulars, I could just throw those on. And then, you know what I'm saying, like all this stuff would be good. And then I could take it, get its alignment and stuff. So yeah, I think we're gonna be good with that, man. I'm gonna just, like I said, just Scotch-Brite it, clean it with some wax and grease remover, because there's like oil on here and stuff. And then yeah, we'll be done with this little project for today. All right, y'all, we got the first little stage of primer on there. We'll probably wait about 10 minutes. We'll spray another stage of primer, and then we'll start laying down this chassis black. I'm gonna get the sleeves. I'm gonna let it dry, obviously, but I'm gonna get the sleeves, and I'm gonna put the sleeves on, put those all together, and then I'll go ahead and throw those under the car too. And then, like I said, man, we're just gonna keep on working on it until it's done. And then once it's done, you know, we'll be good to go. I got everything all masked up. I got our threads masked up, the boots masked up, and then the little pieces where the that little nipple for the grease thing goes, got those masked up too. So we should be good to go. Get some good continuity, make these real nice, nice and clean up under there, because I don't want it to look all janky, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I'm trying to bring this car into the next phase of its life and super clean, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we got going down, man. And you know, like, it won't look right if I got all these, you know what I'm saying, the tie rods looking all, you know, like stupid how they came. And then, you know what I'm saying, got my nice tubulars, coilovers, all that stuff is nice and pretty looking, you know what I'm saying? But then you got this ugly gray steel looking color, you know what I'm saying? That ain't gonna fly. So that's why I'm painting it. And then obviously too, the nice little, you know what I'm saying, sway bar and stuff like that. But let me go ahead and finish this up, man. I'm gonna stop rambling. This is not nothing too crazy. I'm gonna just put everything together, and then I'll chop it with y'all in a second. And then, yeah. All right, y'all. So we hit it off with the chassis black. That's the same black paint that I hit off the Elko with. Hopefully I have enough to finish off like the frame of the Impala. I think I do, but you know, these parts are looking real nice. They still wet, so I'm gonna let them dry, and then I'm gonna hit them off with one more coat of black. And then after I let it dry, I'll probably let it dry for about a couple hours. Then I'll come back out here and I'll throw my tie rod sleeves on. But yeah, man, looks way better than that ugly grayish yellow or greenish looking color that Moog sends them. Like, yo, Moog, y'all need to step y'all game up. I know, you know what I'm saying, like, I know y'all sell plenty of these, you know what I'm saying, and me just talking about y'all stepping y'all game up ain't gonna get y'all to do anything. But, you know what I'm saying, if they're painted, or if y'all even offer the painted one, it looks way better than, you know what I'm saying, like I said, that ugly grayish, greenish looking trash, you know what I'm saying, that it comes with. But anyways, like I said, I'm just, you know, a little bit more of a perfectionist, you know what I'm saying? I like things to look nice, new, and since I'm upgrading everything on this car, I want it to be like, you know what I'm saying, like really, really, really nice. But I'm kind of excited to put the coilovers on because it's going to raise the front end up and then kind of level the car out. This car has a lot of rake to it, and I don't really like that. You know what I'm saying? I want it to be like even and whatnot. But anyways, I'm gonna let this dry for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll lay down another coat, and then after that I'll let it dry for a couple hours maybe, and then I'll put the tie rod sleeves on, and then I'll slide everything under the car, and then we'll be ready to go, man. We'll take the other linkage out once we get to everything, and then we'll start, you know, doing what we gotta do. All right, y'all, and there you have it. They look way better than this little ugly color right here. This is okay because it's threads, but so it looks so much better. The sleeves that I got, the QA1s, they actually don't fit on here, so I'm gonna have to get a new sleeve or a couple new sleeves. I mean, I guess I could use the old ones off of there, but I'll probably just get a new sleeve for these. I need to get an idler arm too. I'm gonna see if I don't know if you guys can see it, the Moog boxes up there, but I got some Moog stuff. I might have an idler arm up there that might work with this car, so I gotta double check that. But and I might have some sleeves too. I don't know, but I'll have to look at it. But anyways, these are done. They look great, man. It's gonna give it a nice little touch up under there. It don't look like, you know what I'm saying, somebody half-assed it, you know what I mean? So we're gonna knock it out. It's gonna be all good. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and slide these up under the car, and then, you know what I'm saying, like we'll chop it after I do that. All right, grind schoolers, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. This video might kind of actually be all over the place just because I wasn't expecting wifey to drive the Elko, but she did, you know what I mean? I pulled it out, and she was out there filming me like I said, and I was just like, you want to drive it? She said, yeah. So, you know what I'm saying? Even though I painted my tie rods, and then I think all I need is an idler arm, so I'm gonna check that stuff to see if I got an idler arm. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna keep holding y'all. I appreciate all the love, the support, like I always say in every single video, man. And before you exit, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. Also, man, every time I start that small block up, man, and I hear it just rumbling and chopping and everything like that, man, it's just like, dang, do I really want to get rid of it? And then I see the engine bay, and it's like, man, this thing looks so clean. It's like, do I really want to get rid of it? And then also, too, like, I know once I get rear gears in the car, it'll be a whole totally different animal. But as far as right now, the plan is still to move forward on the LS. And we'll just see where we land, man. We'll see where we land. But anyways, man, always remember, work hard so you can live free.